Structure is a 3D scanner that was launched through crowdfunding and has since become one of the most popular devices on the market. This 3D scanner turns your iPad into a scanner, and then supports your scan files through the use of multiple apps and a software development kit. Each of these features ensure you'll find a way to not only use your scan files, but create new ways of using the scanner itself to solve real-world needs. This 3D scanner is one of the best options available due to its mobile design as an attachment to an iPad. It scans at a rate of 30 frames per second and offers 3 different data streams: infrared, depth and color. The infrared data stream collects solely infrared data, whereas the depth stream creates a false color view for differentiating between near and far objects. Structure sensor has 4-hour battery life. This 3D scanner's imaging capabilities are unlocked fully through the availability of multiple apps that serve specific purposes. For example, you can download the Room Capture app, which allows you to capture a 3D model of an entire room by simply panning in a circle while holding the scanner. To capture 3D models consisting of dense geometry, you can use the scanner app to create high-fidelity 3D models by panning around a single object. The Fetch app allows you to play games where virtual objects can interact with real-world objects, which creates fun opportunities for virtual reality. The usability of this 3D laser scanner is further augmented with the inclusion of a software development kit, which allows other developers to create applications and hacks that extend the device's range of use to other areas, such as virtual reality gaming. While third-party app development is currently limited, this does not restrict the device from its intended purpose of scanning 3D models for immediate editing and use. Structure Sensor doesn't relegate itself solely to the world of 3D scanning. Instead, it offers a hackable device that can be manipulated for myriad purposes. The unit itself offers multiple methods of capturing data, ensuring you're able to get the right information for your 3D modeling needs. And through the use of multiple apps, you can further extend the use of the scanner to perform tasks like capturing room dimensions,